Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial I'll be doing the I tried it makeup tutorial, and this challenge is about trying out another YouTuber's like makeup tutorial video. The whole thing doing exactly what they do. You don't necessarily have to get the exact same products they use to achieve that look. You just have to try it to recreate the same look they did. So I chose to do one of Aina's makeup tutorials. So let's head on and do the Jackie makeup look.
Let's really, for real, get started. Let's get it popping. Bonnet, that new Isoken Enofe. I will be linking where you can get these down below. And so let's start with primer.
She's a lot.
The NARS Pour and Shine Control Primer.
Okay, let's hold up. So she's starting off with her primer and she's using a NARS primer. I don't have that, so I'll use my MAC primer, which I use all the time. I'm just going to put that on my face, and then am I trying to eat that?
You guys know the drill. After primer, I usually apply some powder, and I've become a new believer and a new fan. These are the Evolution powders from Danessa Myricks. So you open it up.
So if you've been following Jackie for a long time, you know she kind of started that, if not she started that trend of using powder before your foundation, that powder before foundation technique. What I know is she started that trend. This is the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and she's using a beauty blender. So I will use my Fenty Beauty sponge to apply this.
Like, I kind of feel like I'm a better person, you know? Like, I didn't serve my country for my pores to be doing the most. If you guys
okay, slow down. Slow down. I think she's done with that. She's about to do her foundation, but let me quickly finish up.
I used to not like this foundation at all, but then I realized I was just using the wrong primer. It's the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. It really is.
Okay, so she's using the All Day Luminous foundation. I'm sure in her shade, and I have that foundation, so I'm going to use that. She's using a flat top brush for this. I don't know what kind of brush she's using, but I will use my Evitajo Safe Face Buffer since it has that flat top, and then put that all over my face.
It's definitely not this. It's just the powder, which is fine. That's
okay, so she's contouring with a stick foundation.
But now I kind of have to because I don't want my face.
I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Match Stick. I think she skipped most of the steps. That's what YouTubers do. So she's using a NARS creamy concealer. I don't have that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour palette. I'll use this shade. I'll use this shade.
In the comments down below. Hit the chin and the center of my forehead. Now I'm blending this out with a beauty blender sponge. I am going to be adding another concealer though. There's levels to this. Don't ever forget that. All up along here. All up along your temples. How's that for snatch? Blend your forehead contour first before you get into the light part, like blend from the outside into the center. So that it looks more, I'm not gonna say natural, but you know, it just looks more flattering. Like, nobody got time to be looking natural. Do you think there's anything natural about the VIP Rouge sale? Absolutely not. For extra highlighting, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury The Retoucher Stick in shade 9. Gorgeous.
So she's going to highlight again here, brighter highlighter. So I'm going to take this one.
But it's so pretty.
Just to bright.
Shades though. You need some more shades, girl.
Forehead center my face.
Back to the Evolution powder.
So now she's setting her face.
Forehead center my face.
Okay. So that's what you guys go through. You're always pausing stuff. That's what it's about when you're learning from YouTube. That's what it is. You keep pausing and learn. So I'm going to set mine with my Laura Mercier. Okay, wait. She's going for the eyeshadow, so let's pause that.
Yeah.
And set our face first. Okay, Auntie Jackie. Now I'm ready for you. Has she done that?
I wonder if I'm baking with my iPhone Face ID recognizing.
Oh shoot, she has.
X. Okay.
Yeah, she's done her eyebrows and primed her lid. So I'm also going to do that off camera.
Face ID recognizing.
So
The X. Okay. Taking my beauty rest palette.
so she's about to do her eyeshadow.
You got all the basics.
What I will do is, let me pause this. What I will do is I will put some translucent powder under my eyes because I don't want there to be any fallout, because I can't mess this face up. Okay, so I'll just go with this. I'm using the Swish Beauty top notch palette. I'm going to take this color here, that color, the one.
Close to my lash line.
And she says she's packing that onto the lash line as much as possible.
So doing this in steps is going to really give you the best outcome. So take your time, drive slow, homie. Okay.
Okay, Jackie, pause. So she's packing that. Oh jeez, I just tapped the wrong shade. Oh man.
Take your time. It's a rounding shade. What do we really do around it? Follow out. No, you not.
I'm gonna take this shade instead. I think that's close enough to the shade she's taking. This one.
Now with my pencil brush, I'm smoking that out.
Yeah. So I'm also taking a pencil brush as she has done right now. And she just wait. Yeah. Taking a pencil brush, I'm going to just she smushed that out. Not smush, smudged that out. So that's what I'm doing. Just Auntie Jackie. Okay, that's new. I'm going to take this shade. I think that's a little bit close to what she's using. So I'm taking that shade.
I was going for, but whatever. Doing little baby strokes, bruh, little baby.
You can tell she has done her mascara because she's about to do her lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I have like 2 sets of lashes here. Like I just stuck them on the thing, but they are rosé lashes. So I'm going to take the bottom ones. Taking a bronzer to bronze up her face. So I'm going to do that as well.
This is the one that I featured in my face NARS. It is the.
So I'm going to take my.
A girl has no name. So I'll just.
But these are the. This is from Black Radiance.
I really wanted it to be like warm and full and just peachy. So I'm gonna take Rose Fioro from Milan, and you can.
Okay, so right now she's using.
But it barely shows up, so I'm just gonna like
peachy blush. So I'm going to use this one here. This is also from Black Radiance. I'm going to take this one with my powder brush.
Such pretty.
Color. Now adding
okay. Now she's adding a champagne looking color. So I'm going to use my Becca Cosmetic and Jacqueline Aina's Jacqueline Hill's palette, Champagne Pop. It's been a long time since I used it.
It's leaning for some brow bone highlight, so I'm gonna take a little bit, a teasers of that highlight right in this area, like right at the peak. I rarely do that. I have to be in some kind of mood to do the brow bone situation. I still haven't added lashes.
She didn't mention that, right now, but she has a gold thing in her tear dots. So I'm going to get my eyeshadow
tonight after I wash my face. However, then we can talk about it. Lashes coming through. Make way, make a hole. Okay, so for our lips, which is the star of the show, I really wanted to.
So first, I wanted to take Endangered Red, which is a pretty deep burgundy plum.
Okay, so a deep burgundy plum color. I don't have anything like that.
Start blending it, so feathering it into the inner corners of my lips.
Start blending it and feathering it into the inner corners of my lips.
Hers is close to wine. I'm topping it up with this
especially when I'm gonna do a
clay pot
color,
from Zaron.
I just go right over it. I just do a straight line instead of following my cupid's bow. So after applying the
yeah, I
gingerbread
think
as
that's
a liner
more
and feathering it out,
of the color.
you end up with something that looks like this, and the magic is just beginning. So hold on to your draws. Then Tundra is, I think, going to be paired really
she's going
well
for matte lips, so I'm going to use. She's the pencil, but I'm going to use
Tundra looks a little bit more
Vita's
rustic.
lipstick, Lip Tendon and Juicy. That's a little bit brown.
Basically filling in the gaps or in Danger Red.
Gingerbread as a liner and feathering it out, you end up with something that looks like this.
So now she's put a light shimmer in the middle, and I don't have that kind of lipstick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that same highlighter and put that in the middle.
Right in the cupid's bow. So that is fabulous. Shimmer's always gonna get it pop. And there you have it. That is our final look. We're securing holiday sets, bags, as well as hairlines in 2017. Hallelujah. Amen. Praise the Lord. I'm gonna throw in something real cute. I do have plans. So I'm gonna throw in something really cute, really comfortable, finish this look and close it out for you guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me on today's video.
If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, comment, let me know your thoughts on this video, and thank you so much for watching.